Hi guys, welcome to my today's video. Here I'm going to show you how to fake in the lace frontal. Here I'm going to use this hair. You can see I've arranged the lace already. So now I cut some of the hair and cut off the weft. Then I stretch it. Then I begin to fix it with this crochet pin. Here I will have to do it straight to that lace closure length. Then I have to leave the middle, the center. Here I'm going to use this thread, this color thread, a fixing of the weave on. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment. Don't just subscribe and click the notification bell so I can get my video anytime I upload a video. I tell you guys, you will never regret subscribing to my channel. Subscribe, like, share and comment. Please try to watch this video where I think you will learn something here. You will learn and still do your own. So when I'm doing sewing wig, sewing weave, this is how I do it. I don't cut the hair off. When I sew and reach the end, I now fold it and continue. You can see that I didn't cut it. I fold it and continue. You can see where I have folded it again because I'm making it frontal. After making the frontal, I have to remove it. Then I'm using it to make frontal wig cap. I'm going to show you the whole thing I'm doing here. Please watch and watch well. I promise you have to learn something from this. You can see how I want to make it here. You can see it. You can see what I'm doing here. Because I don't want the place I fixed where I fix it directly to show the one I crocheted for the baby hair, because I don't want it to show. Now I now use the weft of the weave on to place there before start sewing it, so that one will come out only for the baby hair, and these ones here will go back. Now I have to make it 2 times. When you are sewing this one, you make it 2 times. This is the 2 times I'm doing it. Make sure you make it to be in the same line of the first one. Don't shift front, don't shift back. Let it just be at the same line. Here I have reached to the end where I started it for the first time. Here I tie it off. I have to tie it 3 times, very strong. Tie it very strongly 3 times, then you cut off the remaining rope, the remaining thread. You can see how it is. Now you take the hair, push it back. Take it and push it. You can see it. This is how I'm going to do the remaining ones. The side that left, this is how I'm going to do it. You can see how it is. I'm going to show you the whole thing I'm doing here. Here you can see. Now I have finished the other side. I have finished the both sides. You can see how it looks now. I'm going to fix here the same way I did the other ones. Just watch well, you understand what I'm doing here. Now you separate the hair from where you are going to sew it. This is how you are going to. This is how I'm going to sew it. If without me explaining here, you understand what I'm doing here. Just only watch well, you understand what I'm doing here. Just like I told you, the same way I did the ones I did, just to make it look real, look that real and natural. You can see it. You can see. I just use that one to cover the back. You've seen what I do here. Now I use scissors to cut off the short hair. To make it look very neat. Now I have put it to start sewing it. Here, when I'm sewing either lace closure, lace frontal, this is the best way to sew it. When I'm fixing lace closure, lace frontal, this is the wig cap I use. This net wig cap, I make it double. You can see. Lace frontal, lace closure. This is the best wig cap for it. But normally is most best for lace closure. You can see how I did it here. I take the other one and stop it at the middle, then I continue from the other side, and here I'm going to finish it. Here I'm going to finish the sewing. I cut off. There's the hair. Here I use Got to Big glue spray, and this you can see how nice the hair look like. Here, because I use the wig cap there, when you look at the center of that hair, you see that you are seeing the wig, the white wig cap I use.
I'm
So
going
because
to
I
use
want to
this
make it now,
to tie it, to make it
I
pony.
want to make it
You will see how I'm going to
in
do
form of
it.
pony.
Or you can cut off
So
some of
here
the
I
hair,
lose the hair and use
braid
this
it and use it for it.
this
I'm going to
thing
show
I'm
you
putting
how
on my hand.
how you will
You
do
see
the
what I'm
braid
going to do here.
here.
You see what I'm doing here. Should in case you don't want it to pack it all back and leave it straight, you want to pack it at the center and make it look real, more real, or anyhow you want to style it. This is how I style it. You can see how nice the hair is. So now I'm going to remove this. I will remove that net I put on, that cap I put on, because when you look at the center of the hair here, you will be seeing the cap, the color cap I wear there. So I will show you, I will still show you where I have removed the cap. You will see how natural it looks. For me, it didn't look that natural in my eye when I'm looking at. So what I do, I remove that cap I was wearing. If you look very well the front of this hair, you will see that I'm wearing that colored wig cap. Oh, you can see how nice the hair look like. You can style it anyhow you like. Yeah, I can style it anyhow I like. You can see here now, you can see that I have removed the wig cap, the color wig cap I was wearing. You can see how natural it looks.